Say hi.
Girl.
Ooh, say hi.
As much as I can. I'm trying to cut hair.
See, look, yeah.
Yeah.
Say hi.
No.
Say hi.
You'll get
Little close, guys. Hi. Close, guys.
Jesus,
He's gonna break the leg.
I was about to say that. I'm at Bree's house for her party. Just came from Wild Bill's.
Is roast beef?
Mom, you're interrupting the video, gosh.
And I don't care. And yeah, you see everybody's being like a fat pig and stuffing their faces. See?
Except Michaela. Except Michaela.
Outcast.
She's not eating.
Say, come on,
She's
Kira.
waiting on the pizza.
Thank you.
Yeah. Just go with it, Michaela.
This kid.
Her mother told me she has not eaten anything.
You're really quiet.
Are you trying to be anorexic or something?
Mom.
No.
Okay.
Get Bree's mom.
No, please don't. Our respect will never go anywhere again.
Okay, well, that's it.
Great.
Got my little thing. Wait. Bye-bye.
Hey, Mom,
Bye-bye.
can you get
Bye-bye.